Abalungi Bebasinga Obungi Ababi. Mwebale kulaba Dream TV. Dream TV ekigambo dream kitegeeza kirooto. Buli omu alina ebirooto bye. Naye tetulina kirooto kya ggwanga. Naye ffenna tulina ebirooto byaffe, oli ayagala kino, oli ayagala kiri. Naye eggwanga lino teririna kirooto kyalyo. Teririna kye tuyiseemu ne kye tulimu ne gye tulaga. Gwe oli mwana wa Generation eno. Mpozi mugira mutya Gen.z?
Gen.z.
Gen.z whatever.
Generation Z.
Kakati nze njiyita Nouvelle Génération. A new generation, okay? Kakati past, present, njagala ombuulire how you relate. Generation yamwe bwe relatinga ku past y'eggwanga lino n'eggwanga lino weeriri ne Weliraga.
If as the new generation we are still glorifying the past, I don't know. And you're going to tell us about the past, because now I can't speak for the past when you lived in the past, right?
Which
with
is
the
the
past
past
generation.
Which is the past?
Oh, we're talking about your generation now.
Okay.
You're going to tell us about that part. How was it for you?
Past is always good. Past is
Yeah,
always
we are always glorifying
because
and saying those
past
people have
comes
done good
back
things.
to you in memories, not in practical good ways. It comes back to you in memories, and in most cases, memories don't really hurt much as something you are going through presently. Okay,
can you tell us what you went through as you were living in where we were not?
Where you were not? I should say.
Why are we still glorifying the past? Is it because we have all these people that they've told
because
us to
it is
believe
easier.
in? It's easier for us to believe in the past and say, it was good.
It is easier for any human being to glorify their past.
Their past, yeah, that's true.
Because it is easier. The present is a hassle.
Yeah, that's true.
The future, the tomorrow, is you are not sure.
Yeah, you're not sure,
yes.
But it's what we envision. Yeah. And we don't yet know what we are supposed to do to get there.
So the easiest thing is to glorify the past.
Anyway, yeah.
But the present you have to fight.
We have to
the future you have to plan. We're not planning future. Presently you have to fight, to struggle. Past, yagwa. Therefore, the laziest people.
Are you trying to say that we are the laziest people now in the present?
But now, Africans in a way tuli lazy. Especially those abalamenting ennyo. Omanyi bw'oba twalina omusajja wano nga yakugamba nti awo waliwo kitange. N'ery'ettaka lyali lyaffe. N'ekyo kyali kyaffe. Naye nga ye ate talina ki.
So
he has nothing.
Exactly.
But he's glorifying what his fathers had.
Yes.
Today, where he has to struggle, struggling. He's lamenting over glorifying the past, what was. Now, we don't have to do that. Presently, we have to struggle. And how many struggles do we have? There are so many. There's political struggles, social, political,
economic, there's social, there's tribal,
whatever. Tribal. Then we have to plan for tomorrow. What are you planning tomorrow?
So first of all, let's start with, I'm currently reading a book. It's called What Got You Here Will Not Get You There.
What got you here?
What got you here will not get you there.
So, I understand. Ninga kitegeera nti ekyakutuusizza wano.
What got you here?
Tekijja kutwala
gy'ogenda. So that means that if, as you're saying, that Generation Z, right? If as a Generation Z, we are still saying, man, our forefathers left for us, they fought for us, why would we? If we keep saying such things, that means we don't have a vision on how we want the country to be. We have personal goals, which may be able to to bring the country to a certain state, but how much percentage is it going to be for a whole country to grow? That means we have to work as a group to actually bring the vision and work
our
together.
Our problem as Uganda is that we are not yet a country.
What are we now?
We are growing into a country.
Yes.
We are intending to grow into a country.
That's why you're saying intending. We are working towards
what I'm saying is that we are growing intentionally to become a country.
But that means we need to put a lot of work.
What?
We need to put a lot of work. We need innovators, creators.
Not necessarily.
But you see, Mr. Alex,
we need to just have to wait for time.
But now if we wait for time. Anyway, time is a determinant. That's true. But also, I would say that if we don't get up and act now, that means we are going to wait and
now
wait.
You tell
may
me,
wait until
your generation kati yagala okujja eyaba Kyagulanyi eyaba Malema mu South Africa eyaba Traore. What is your plan for tomorrow?
Ideally, the plan is to have Africa as one.
Miss wa tourism. Wano, we are known more for Amazike.
Yes.
Than people. Category mu tourism. Talk about it. Why do people come here to go and see gorillas? Semanyi bichi.
Yes, they go to Western Uganda to
and the
gorilla trekking.
The tourism people bakulembeza nnyo amazike okusinga abantu. They don't show our beauty.
And yet we are very diverse.
Yes,
we have very
beauty,
beautiful traditions, very beautiful food, very beautiful. That's one thing that I was talking about. When I met the CEO UTB, I told her that I think something we need to actually encourage tourists is to visit communities where there's a lot of beauty. Most of the time, a person will forget that they saw a gorilla, but they'll not forget the good things that they went through experiencing different people. Watch this pass. If I gave you a bangle, you're most likely to remember the bangle or the necklace. And remember that I got it from Uganda. Some random woman gave it to me. Then remember that, on a certain day we walked so hard and went for gorillas.
The reason is, the reason is political. Nti, amazike gali neutral. But here, when you promote emuteso kale kwatugamba neiteso. Nomulaga is a beauty in Africa. Omuganda ngaanyiga ntwaki balaga bateso.
Anyway.
Omucholi ngaanyiga ntwaki balaga bateso. Kati bolaga omuteso bolaga omuganda nga bacholi baganda ate lwaki balaga muganda ate balaga munyankole. So then these people find a neutral ground ne balaga amazike.
But do you know that they can show all of them at once?
They can't.
If you're able to promote, like for example, we have poverty.
They can't. Kubanga bajja banenya, bajja bagamba now you are equating us with amazike.
No, not promoting them together with the gorillas. I'm saying that instead of putting one tribe first, then you put the other, then you put the other one. You can say, like for example, now they have explorers. Explore Uganda. I know you've heard of that campaign.
Yeah.
Explore Uganda has gone to Western Uganda, Northern Uganda.
Explore Uganda, where they take these people in a bus.
Yes. Then they just explore the community.
That is very fake. That is very fake.
No, but I believe it is promoting domestic tourism.
Omanyi, how do you convince somebody to come to your country? How do countries convince people?
That is where media plays a big role. I think that is why they put the gorillas, because we have the most. So they have to promote what is the most, what are people looking at. But then again, I believe that as they're putting that, they also need to encourage the promotion of people, community.
I think. As long as we don't show people, the world, that this is the way we think, and this is the way this is what
we act, this is what we do.
And this is who we are, right? But as who we are, behind us, Tulina amazike. But first, it is us.
It is us. We are the ones taking care of them.
I was in the States, United States, and the guy was photographing us. I was with a guitar. And he said, take off your guitar. I said, why? That it is not African. I said, do you know the story of the history of the guitar? Where did it come from? And we had to fight him. And I said, get out of here. I don't even need your photographs. right?
But
Because for me, I'm not taking to the United States of America what we wear, right? It's like when you take to people things that we are doing when you were a young child. We go to America to show them today, until this is the way we think. This is who we are. And that generation,
us, the
lineage
Gen.z,
ya bacolonialists, etuuka ku generation yaffe nga nange kanebaliremu.
But do you think that us as the Generation Z, we are losing who we are?
Yeah, we have already lost it. You have already lost it. You can't talk Aiteso. You can't talk English right.
But can we bring it back?
No.
I believe that if
we have to find a new way.
Collective effort.
Yes, this is what we have to do. We have to be very innovative and creative to find a new way to go. Otherwise...
So if we forget who we are, how are we going to be able to define who we are?
You know, it's not... there's a difference between who you are and who you were and who you are going to be.
Well, yes.
So which one do you want?
But you see...
to be who you were, to be who you are today, over who you are going to be.
But you see, Mr. Alex, the who you are, the who you are, and the who you want to be, or who you're going to be, all depend on, you said, your struggle is character. Character which stems from your cultures,
culture,
whatever drives you.
Yes.
So if we have those cultural values and we are losing them.
We are not losing them.
Are we not?
No. We are not losing them. What are values? No,
like for example, Mr. Alex, let me say, in Buganda, ideally, when I am to greet a person, I'm supposed to kneel down. Most of the girls, they feel like kneeling down is such a... It's not a thing for them.
You see.
And yet it's a value. But that is why I was even trying to tell you that I think the reason our president calls us Abazukulu is because when I see my grandfather, I'm quick to respect that grandfather.
I'm not rejecting that, but I asked you, who does he respect? Like a parent. So it's okay akuita abantu abazzukulu.
Yeah, it's very okay.
It's very
because
okay.
Yes.
Naye gwe oli muzzukulu wani ayita abazzukulu nti bazzukulu.
Babanga bafa.
Gwe oli muzzukulu wa. Tubuulire bajjajjaabo babiri basatu bana.
Nze.
Atubuulire. Naawe mbuulira. 4 grandparents.
4 grandparents.
If you are so much caring about where you came from, you tell me 4 grandparents. The father of your father, the father of the father of your father, the father of the father of the father of your father, Bambuli. Obamanyi.
I don't know the father of the father, but I know my grandparents.
And you only even know one. Fenawe tukoma. Omanyi akaba.
Yeah, you can know at least
2
your great-great-grandfather. You can know your great-grandfather, your grandfather, yes, your great-grandfather, your grandfather.
Anyway, to go back to that point into generation NMPia, when you are coming in, you want to run away, which is okay, from this colonial lineage. I wish for Uganda, this colonial lineage ekome kuchi kufe. I'm telling you. Ebyo gundi bigati gundi simanyi yazala gundi nazala gundi nazala gundi bitulimu abakolonialist ne bazalani bankuluma ne bazala bani ba Museveni ne bazala simanyi babasankala webito kakati tuli kuba Kyagulanyi nani Tawore Malema mu South Africa. I don't know. Naye nga twetaaga to move away from that colonial lineage of always thinking in the past twalwana We were this. Ffe twakola kino.
So we need to know that.
Ffe twakola kino.
Yes.
If we really go back to people abalwanira Uganda, if we go back in history, who were they? Where the colonialists found us. Ani yali alwanirira eggwanga. Naye abaali balirwanirira, are they still here praising themselves that we fought so much? Naye weebali. Weebali mu bitabo mwebali mu history. We have kings, we have people who fought for this.
It's okay to say that you fought, yes, you succeeded, but we need to find other new ways and adopt to the new world so that we can be able to
that's
grow
what I demand from your generation. I have not yet seen a clear roadmap of the new generation taking over the colonial lineage. Sinna kiraba. I haven't heard it.
Africa.
Almost. They are complaining. They are in the present, complaining about what is happening. Right? We need to get rid of this. We need to get rid of that. We need to get rid of who, over he, over she. But then after that,
what happens?
What are we going to do? Kakati nze sinna kiraba. So I'm thinking the young generation, yours, should have that more than just complaining today, to remove what challenges you have to do, over problems namunagani, and you bring us a new chapter.
So what you want to see from the new generation is innovation
and
new adaptability to the fast-growing world.
Muchituwe. You want us to go. We don't want you to come. We don't want you to come. Mwe mwagala tugende. Tulagewa. Ate mwe bwe mujja mututwalawa.
That's true anyway.
So, all that clarified properly, tujja kufuna a national vision. For example,
a national strategy.
Bwe nkugamba character, Uganda terina character.
Kinnyonnyole.
Ojagamba nti aba Nigeria bali aggressive. Uganda character yaffe eriki as a nation. Tetulina. We are just there floating into everything. We are prostitutes, we are conmen, we are politicians, we are soldiers, we are everything. We are Miss Tourism, we are... But where are we going? Because everything we do almost temulina katonda. What is the character of Ugandans? I'm always asking people, nembagamba to look here. Nze nali mu America, nkiddamu kino nakyogera. Nali mu America, Omu-America n'angamba nti gundi, this is America, we don't do that. Nalinako ekisobo kye nali nkoze. I was over speedy. Kati nayagala muwa. Kintu kidogo.
Ogambye ki?
Kintu kidogo. Pozi wage tomanyi Swahili. Kintu kidogo. Nanjagala muwa. Naga nti gundi, this is America. We don't do that. Naye kakati mbulirayo kimuggo kyoyinza okugamba nti this is Uganda.
We don't do that.
Chichi, you tell me just one. And I give you $1 million shillings.
So we're not to be called.
Buli kimu tukikola. Tetulina kye tuli.
So when you say we like
character, kyali today myoga enkya bonna bagaggawale luli bonna basome luli. Where are we? Where are we going?
Those are projects building on the country.
Wealth cooperation, simanyi wealth creation. Yes.
Wealth creation.
But how can you...
Okay, so what's your take on wealth creation, PDM, whichever those projects?
You don't create wealth, you produce wealth. Yeah.
Explain.
It's self-explanatory.
No, I needed to explain.
It is self-explanatory. Mwe mutuwe kye mwagala tukole abaana bato. But the real solution should be nti we should have a transition whereby we people give you our experience, in which experience you have to put your energy, and that energy will lead.
Will take you to the next
because we need both.
Yes, we do. We can't also do without you. That's very true.
Yeah. Naye nga naffe tulina okukkiriza nti we have that colonial mentality erina okuvaawo anyway.
Anyway, yeah, that's true.
Let the people be free to think like their environment over their...
The environment is growing and
like
changing.
Their environment dictates to them.
Because we're in a fast-growing world.
If you live in snow, you buy a jacket.
Yes.
Right?
We are ever changing.
You live in the sun, like you said. I asked you that.
Why do we have hats?
Hats in the north.
Yes.
And you said it is
and in
very
the east.
Hot. Now, you go to Karamoja and the people were naked. And then you say they are primitive. But they're adapting
to
to the
the environment.
So let everybody be that.
Let all of us adapt to the new environment.
But you can't dress the Karamojo.
Yeah, that's true.
Ngaye is undressed because of the weather over the climate. Kakati lwaki goyagala I have seen Africans. I went with Ugandans here to Europe. They came back with the winter coats and the winter boots.
No babuuza kati ogenda zambala.
Ugenda zambala. We don't have winter here. But my dear, they came back with them. What's the game? So that's who we are. Every wind blows us out of our house. Okay?
Kati tugenda kikolera kyekyo.
Character.
Mindset.
Olina strong character. Kati nga mu ba Miss World, I am sure you will never marry a Mutesu.
Me?
You will marry
Why
Mzungu.
not? Why not?
Huh?
Why not? Why wouldn't I marry from Teso?
And because modernity, you miss Uganda as simanyi tourism. Mwagala nnyo kiki? Because the definition of a Mzungu, of beauty, is slender, namunaga, and that is what you
you look like
and advocate for. That this is the standard of. But who tells you that?
Anyway,
now, at the end of the day, it is those people, the Bazungu again, who determine that this is beauty. Right? And when you fall into that trap, at the end of the day, you have to marry them. Lwaki? Because in the real sense, to us, it is not the beauty.
Anyway, yeah. But I'm not going to marry a Mzungu.
I don't know. Clear. I don't know, but most of
we want cows.
Of course, Mzungu will give you even 100 if you want 50. Diajja kuleta 10. So byebyo byemubeeramu.
Tugende tubulireeyo e Bulaaya.
Because muno boba was standard, even the standard of beauty. Bagituwa.
Yeah, that's true.
It has to be like this. But then now our girls don't even eat food. Nga baagala to stay slim. Mbu babeere ne beauty eri abazungu gye badetermines ne yardstick yabo. This is what beauty is.
This is what beauty is. But is there a definition to beauty, really?
Yes. There is a definition to beauty.
What is it? Beauty lies in the hands of the beholder.
That is when you don't brush your teeth. Like Abaganda bagamba mbu tebiwoomera matama abiri. Ekyo toyinza kitegeera gwe omuteeso. Tebiwoomera matama abiri. Like something cannot be sweet for both your good jaws or cheeks. I
haven't understood.
So, beauty lies in the hands of the beholder,
says the Bible.
That's the Bible. Oraba. Is it in the Bible? Chindag. Oraba.
Beauty lies in the hands of the beholder.
No way. Beauty is beauty. It's like music. Music is music.
Yeah, so, Mr. Mukulu, do you know why I'm saying that beauty lies in the hands of the beholder? You can say that this music is nice, and me, I can say I don't enjoy it.
Beauty is a necessity. Right? It's not a matter of something you hold and you don't hold.
It's what you see, what you hear, what you smell, what you taste, what everything.
You can't say that a tree is beautiful because of who looks at it.
No.
That it depends on who looks at it.
It depends on how the person views the tree.
But the tree is beautiful.
Yes, it's
Finish,
beautiful.
whether you like it or not. Now, when you bring on your rubbish and garbage to start
disturbing the tree,
reasoning about it, that I tell you, no, that's not good, right? Beauty is beauty. No compromise. It does not depend on the beholder. Music is music.
Yeah,
It does not depend on the listener. You understand?
But that's why we have people who listen to certain sorts of music and they don't listen to certain sorts of music.
But it is all music.
Yeah, it's all music, but it's what I prefer is what I will listen to. And
what
also what you prefer is also
now,
what you listen to.
Those are your biases because you don't know music. Right? For example, you can say I play dance hall, raga, reggae. Right? Classical, namnagan,
R&B, now there is Afro, Zulu.
All these kind of things. But all those are just fragmentations of weakness. Because you are weak, you can only play just part of music, which you call and name raga or reggae.
Is it raga or reggae?
I don't know, whatever you call it, okay? This reggae.
Tomatoes.
Whichever. It is Human Sekera from South Africa who was asked that, what type of music do you play? Because they wanted him to departmentalize the kind of music he plays, or it is kwaito, or wachichi, and he said, no, I play music. Okay? So there are people who play music, and there are people who play segments of music. In terms of categories, they name them raga, reggae, pop. Those are all Afro. Zulu. They are only segments of music. But music doesn't change. We still have 8 chords in the guitar. We still have do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do. It has never changed. So it's the people who change.
Sorry, it's a pleasure learning
like
from
this
you.
Saying that history, Mumanyi repeats itself, which saying is not true because it is people who repeat history. It is not history which repeats itself.
We are the ones who copy from history
yes,
and redo it.
Repeating.
Sorry, it's a pleasure listening from you and learning each time.
I hope so. I hope people learn to learn.
Yeah, it's a good thing to just keep learning. Yes.
Africa now needs to unlearn, not to learn. Okujjamu ebyatuteekwako ebisaaniiko ebyatuteekwamu. We Africa needs to unlearn, not to learn.
Yes.
Hallelujah.
Sure.
Thank you. Mwebale.